Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using the Media Creation Tool. The Media Creation Tool is Microsoft's own software for creating a bootable USB directly from the Microsoft website. By using this tool, you can create a USB bootable without using any other third-party software like Rufus or Power DVD. Let's start. First, open any browser and search for Windows 11, and open the official Windows 11 download page. Here, select the second option, Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This is called the Media Creation Tool. Click Download Now, and the Media Creation Tool starts downloading. After downloading, launch the app. Then accept the terms and conditions, select the language and edition. Click Next. Here, if you want to create a USB bootable disk directly, then choose USB flash drive, or can download the ISO file and later write it into a DVD disk or create a USB bootable using any third-party software. Here I create a USB bootable directly using the Media Creation Tool, so select a USB flash drive. Now connect a USB pen drive of at least 8 GB of free space. Then click the refresh list and select the connected pen drive. Click Next, and the Media Creation Tool will start downloading the Windows 11 file. This will take up to more than 15 minutes. Please wait until it finishes downloading. Please make sure that you have an active internet connection and enough free space in the primary C drive. After completing the download, it will start to create a USB bootable drive. Please wait to complete all the downloading and media creation process. Right here, the USB bootable drive is ready. Now you can use this USB to install Windows 11 on your new PC. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.